Shopify versus WordPress. Which is better website and store building? So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will be having a complete review on which is better, Shopify or WordPress, in creating a website and store. So with no further ado, let's get started. So if you are planning to create a website or a store online, there might be a lot of suggestions for you, or it's either you are suggested to create through Shopify or WordPress. So the question is, which is best? So let's dive into it. Here you will see Shopify. So you may be wondering, what is Shopify? So Shopify is a web application that has been specifically designed to allow you, the user, to build and launch your very own online store. So if you have created your account and you will go here to online store and go to themes, you could explore for more themes. So with that being said, Shopify provides a wide range of templates or themes that can be customized to meet your individual business branding requirement. For example, you've chosen a theme and all you have to do is to customize it. Change the pictures, the colors, the text on the template, and basically you will have your store. One of the best thing or the key idea in creating Shopify, it lets the user who do not have a technical or design skills in creating a store. You do not have to acquire the technical or the design skills in creating a store. That means that you don't need any coding knowledge to use this platform. However, Shopify does allow you to edit the HTML and the CSS of your website. This means that those who do have the coding skills, or if you have a coding skills, you will be able to customize your store in more extensive manner. For example, if you want to create a product bundles, then you could edit and create your very own code for your product bundle. Now, Shopify is a hosted solution, meaning everything runs on Shopify server. So you don't need to worry about buying a web hosting or installing software anywhere, unlike to WordPress, since you have to buy web hosting, domain, and so on and so forth. And Shopify is a software as a device, or the SaaS tool. So this means that you do not have an own copy of your software, but you have to pay a monthly fee to use it. So with this being said, if you have the copy of your store, you cannot import it. So it is only available on Shopify. That's why you have to resort to a plan. Here, a plan. So there are actually basic, Shopify, and advanced depending on the benefits that you will get. So it could cost $29 for every month, and this for $79 up until $299 US dollars per month. So one thing in Shopify is it runs in the cloud. As long as you have internet access and let's say your laptop, then you could open your store and check if there are any problems or any orders for your store. So the next website builder that we will be discussing is the WordPress. So there are two types of WordPress. There is WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So WordPress is the WordPress.com, and the self-hosted WordPress is the WordPress.org. But we will not be discussing about the hosted WordPress, but instead we will be discussing about the self-hosted WordPress. So self-hosted WordPress is a piece of software that allows you to download from WordPress.org, and then you could now install your own web server. So WordPress is an open source. That means that the code behind it is freely available and can be edited easily. So this means that sites built with WordPress can be customized to a more extreme and flexible platform. So it hands off the right website developer or via installation of the right plugin. So you have to install your plugins to have those tools in creating your own website. Though WordPress on your server is for free, but the tools you'll be using are not, such as you need to spend for the web hosting on getting a domain, even your own template. If you do not like the free template, then you have to purchase those templates and you have to install plugins. And not all plugins are for free, so there is a need for you to spend money on that. Now that we have a background knowledge on what is Shopify and what is WordPress, we will be comparing them. So the Shopify's audience are typically those who are lacking on web development skills and you do not have a budget to hire somebody to build your own store. So this means that Shopify is a user friendly, especially to those who do not have any knowledge in coding or what is web hosting, and to those who are just new to business and do not have enough money to create your own website or to hire somebody to build your own website. This platform allows you to create an online store without coding, and because using it doesn't require a big upfront investment. Unlike WordPress here, aims are those who are web design novices, those people who already have a web development skills. So if you are using WordPress, then you will be dealing a lot more configuration before you could actually publish your website. And that depends on what you want to do, such as setting up your WordPress site can involve a more learning curve than building your Shopify store. The WordPress is totally fine to those who already have an experience in developing a web and those who have the money to hire somebody who are expert on WordPress in creating their team. So all they have to do is to just hire the team and tell the team what they want to see on their website and so on and so forth. Now, the thing here is if you are using a Shopify, for example, and then your way of payment is PayPal. So they will be charging you. They will get fees from your income. For example, you've acquired the basic plan, this one, then they will get 2% or they will have an additional 2% from your income. For example, you will have an income of $150. So the 2% of that will go to Shopify. Now, if you get this Shopify that is for $79 per month, then they will get 1% your income. And lastly is the advance where they will only get 0.5% from your income. So basically that is how they could also gain money from their website. So the next here is the WordPress. As I have said, WordPress is for free, so you don't have to pay anything. But if you want to have a full power modern WordPress hosting, then you could get WordPress for 799 pesos. If you will acquire the WordPress Pro, then these are your benefits. You will have a custom domain name for 1 year. You will have premium themes. You have the unlimited plugin and your storage is upgraded into 50 gigabyte. For example, you want to use the WordPress for free. As I have mentioned, you have to pay for the plugins or the tools that you will use in creating your store. For example, the templates, the Elementor, and so on and so forth. And basically, that is the full review on Shopify versus WordPress. So I hope this video is beneficial to you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment below with the best tips and tricks that I have taught you in this video. Also, please share this video with your friends and family as well as other creators so that you may help them as well. So I hope this was useful, and please leave a comment below if there is anything else you'd want to contribute, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.